Welcome my colorful beauties. On today's look is going to be mainly on eyebrows today. Today I just wanted to do an eyebrow tutorial. I just wanted to show you how I do my brows. Yeah, so if you guys want to achieve this basic look and also these eyebrows on fleek look, please keep on watching. First thing is first, let's set this beautiful canvas. I'm using the Makeup Revolution Glow Prepping Spray. I like to spray setting spray on my face first. I don't know why, but I feel like it makes my foundation look better and it lasts longer for me. Now we're gonna go in with the Benefit Goof Proof Pencil. I've been using this for a hot minute. I love it. I like to go strokes at a time just so I can get that perfect brow. Alright, so we're just gonna be filling in our brows. Don't go in heavy-handed. You want to be soft-handed with it. You just don't want no harsh lines, I guess, to be seen. You want it to look more natural on the natural side. After I'm done putting in all that product, I brush everything out so it smooths everything out. Now I'm going to grab my concealer, the Makeup Revolution brand in the shade C9. I am going to clean up my eyebrows so they look on fleek and they is straight. You just don't want to be looking like a hot mess when you're walking out of the house. I forgot to add this part, but when you're cleaning your eyebrows with the concealer, just make sure you're like diffusing all of that because you don't want to have a lot of cakeness in your eyebrows. Like I said, we want a natural look, girl. After I'm done doing that, I like to go back in and fill out the blotchy parts. Like if I didn't get any, it's okay to go back and do it again, you know. I just like to darken the ends of my eyebrows. I kind of like to have that dark effect on the ends and then kind of go lighter when it goes more in towards my eye, if you know what I mean. Kind of like a fade on your eyebrow. Alright, we're all gonna repeat the whole steps again. We're doing the left brow, do light strokes. If you watch the first part, it should be very easy, guys. Like I said, don't go heavy-handed because you don't want to see no harsh lines when your brows are coming through. You want to be looking good when you're walking outside of your house. You go to work, you go to the club, you go to the bar, you go anywhere, man. You just want to look good. You want your eyebrows to be like the light of the show. Again, guys, we're gonna grab your favorite concealer or my favorite concealer and we're gonna clean up the line so it looks a little bit more like slick. Remember, blend in the concealer towards down to your eye. You just don't want to look like a cakey mess, and obviously you want your eyes to look really good and your eyebrows to look really bomb. Just blend everything out. All right. Go back in with your pomade or your pencil or whatever you have and just fill in those blanks. Fill them in. Alright, I'm gonna grab foundation, gonna clean the tops of my brows. Like I said, I like to go in and with my concealer brush and just make the lines a little bit more straighter. You know, I feel like this helps it to look like to give that extra edge, I guess. And plus it kind of highlights your brows, so you highlighting the top parts of your brows already with foundation, I guess. Honestly, that's probably one of the things that I like to do, is kind of like make the line straighter. Okay, now we are gonna go in with my Makeup Revolution concealer in the shade C9. I'm gonna be putting that all over our eyelid, kind of spreading it out under our eyes, para que no se mire that we just got sucked in the eye. Now we're gonna go in with the LA Girl color corrector. We gotta cover up those ojeras. It's fun to be Hondo, right? Psych, it's not. I'm gonna be spraying my beauty blender because it was getting kind of dry, and girl, I can't work with dry ass beauty blenders. Okay, we're gonna go in with my favorite two foundations, Lancôme 240 and Loreal 500. I love these two foundations. They make a great mix. They make my skin look so freaking poppin'. I look so glowy, like I just look like a little baby. I swear, like, by far my favorite two foundations when they're mixed. Let me know if you have any foundations that you guys like that I should try out. Going in with my concealer so we can highlight those parts that we need to highlight. I like to have my concealer set for a minute. I'm gonna go in with the Stilla in the shade Dark to do my cream contour. Just a little bit will go by because I mean it's pretty dark. Yeah, I like to cream contour. It's so cute, so natural, but then I always dry contour afterwards. I don't know why I do that, but I'm so weird. Grab your wet beauty blender. Now we are gonna blend out the concealer, blending it out to the skin so it doesn't look like you're a ghost. Yeah. I don't know why, but I like to set my concealer. I feel like it just makes it work better. I also will baby bake with the Bennye translucent powder. I don't put a lot when I'm baking because I feel like it just makes my skin very texturized, and I'm trying to avoid cake face, so yeah. I voy otra vez con my dry contour. God, I have to contour twice. I'm doing the e.l.f. contour palette in the darkest shade. So yeah, don't go heavy-handed. You want to look rough. Going into baking, we're gonna do the baking on the cheeks with the Bennye translucent powder. And then we're gonna take the e.l.f. contour palette. We're gonna take the lightest shade, put that all over our eyelids. We are just doing a natural look today. I'm not trying to go all cray cray because today is brows only. We want to be popping, taking all over the world with them brows. Alright guys, so I'm gonna be putting that too on top of my brows just because I get really shiny around that area, and then sometimes when I take pictures, like, you can't really see my eyebrow, but it's there, I promise. Alright, so now we're gonna go in with mascara. I'm gonna take the Maybelline Lash Discovery. I love the wand to this because I got baby little lashes, you know, I gotta work with what I got. Let's dust all that excess stuff on my nose. We're not gonna wipe the bake off yet, so we're gonna be highlighting with the Luna brand. I forget what shade that is, but I will put it on the description down below, and I'll let y'all know about this highlight. Then we're gonna insert that same highlight in our inner corner of our eyes. I just want to have a little pop because I am doing a basic look. I will be going in with some lashes. They're very wispy. I got them. I always get them at Marshall's. I freaking love them. I just love those wispies. They just look so natural and doesn't look over the top, I guess. But yeah. I swear my left eyelash was like giving me a pain, man. It's always the left one. So annoying, but yeah. I gotta make sure they're on right because I don't want to be rolling down with my window and then my eyelash just wants to fly out. Like, nah, you need to stay on my eye. Now we are ready to dust all that baking off. We're done baking, girl. Alright, so we're going to go in with that same mascara and we're going to do the bottom eyelashes. We just want to make your eye a little bit. I want it to pop a little bit more. No puedo hablar. Déjame en paz, guys. It's late and I'm tired and I'm just not having the day. I'm going in with the violet Voss. I'm not sure what shade it is. I got this at BeautyCon. I was supposed to do a vlog, but oh, I'm so mad. I need to freaking invest my money in getting a freaking camera. I need to invest, guys. Like, I really do. Anyways, I really think this gloss is so pretty. Like, I got a lot of free stuff at BeautyCon. It was so fucking popping. Y'all don't even know. If you guys like makeup, I suggest you guys go. There's so much stuff over there and a lot of like brands are there. Even like the underground brands that aren't big yet, like they're there. Like I fell in love with this brand called Rude Cosmetics. They have like skincare line and they got like palettes. So beautiful. Alright guys, gotta make it right and set that beautiful canvas. I'm telling you, it's been a long day. I had to do this in the car, but whatever guys. Like and subscribe and share. I hope you guys love it. See you guys next time. Bye.